Greetings to all viewers from Sandeep Sir's Doon Defence Academy, Dehradun. The name is not new, rather it is very old. Sandeep Sir's Doon Defence Academy has got a legacy of 21 years plus in training the aspirants from a very early age for the career towards armed forces and merchant navy directly, and indirectly they had contributed by way of imparting knowledge where the aspirants make their careers elsewhere as well in paramilitary forces and many other professions and walks of life. With this legacy of 21 years, the strength that the Sandeep Sir's Doon Defence Academy has acquired is academic excellence, the entire ecosystem and the infrastructure which suits for a right grooming and right training of the people to ultimately get them find a career of their choice and meet their dreams and aspirations as well. The support that had been extended by the parents and the students who are alumni of Sandeep Sir's Doon Defence Academy for last 21 years and working in various professions all over the country and abroad, again gave us courage to continue contributing to the society in a manner where we prepare the young kids for the future that is about to come in their stride, and through which they have to find ways and plan a strategy to get into a right career of their choice and remain happy and contented throughout their life and also flourish in their careers. Those foundations are set at Sandeep Sir's Doon Defence Academy from a very early age. Starting from the aspirants of NDA, we have now flourished into various programs which can be divided into basically two of them. One is foundation course that may start from class 6th. It also starts from class 8th, 9th, 11th to prepare for normal schooling, as well as side-by-side preparing the candidates for various competitive exams like National Defence Academy, a joint entrance exam for one of the premier institutes of engineering, whether at the regional level or at the national level, the commercial pilot license, merchant navy, deck officers, as well as engineering officers. These training schedules are being run concurrently with the schooling of the candidates. A candidate who gets groomed for these careers has to have a personality and the academic backdrop of a very high order, which needs time, which needs consistent training under various mentors who have the experience and who know the ecosystem as to what makes a person to make a grade in such competitive exams. Now, with this 21 years of experience and faculty working here for 10 to 15 years in the academic field, we have the wherewithal to guide the candidates in the shortest possible time in the finest way to achieve a breakthrough in this written exams of competitions, as well as doing well in class 10th and 12th board as well. This entire academic journey is also surrounded by various activities which play an important role in ultimately grooming a person into a very vibrant and strong personality, which is the prerequisite in any of those careers that I have just mentioned. And these activities that take place at the campus and off the campus are basically of various kinds. Some are physical, some are mental, and some are as mentoring programs. To name a few, we start with PT, games, fielding our candidates at district level and regional level, cluster level tournaments to further improve on their personalities, sports skills, and extracurricular skills as well. It is done by the DDA as well as done by the school, one of the most prestigious ones with which we are associated. Hobby classes are run concurrently. Children are given exposure to various activities so that they have an opportunity to hone and find their own aptitude for a particular level or a particular skill as such. And they take a lot of interest. We have students here along with the academic excellence. They are doing well in the field of sports, representing the DDA and their respective schools also at the district level as well as the regional level. And some of them, if trained well, have the potential to go up to national level as well. Besides, the activities that include at DDA as part of a curriculum are outsourced to various professional agencies like for rock climbing, adventure trip, educational tours, and the mentors and the guest faculties that come for lecture in those activities those times again add to the vision and the viewpoint of these budding students who are growing up and learning the roles of life while they grow up into very mature and balanced human beings as well. A very high level of weightage is given to mentor the discipline and the social grace of these kids, which is the prerequisite to be a civilized citizen anywhere, and it has got its own professional advantages as well as social advantages. And this is the requirement also from the parents these days, while the kids grow up in mushrooming world of all kinds of addictions, starting from gadgets to various other addictions. While they get trained and impart their whole effort towards the academic excellence, they are provided with state-of-the-art infrastructure in terms of accommodation, in terms of dining hall, meals, library, computer laboratories to work in their own time on their creative skills, as well as to make notes and various other activities and hone their coding and AI skills as well. With these, they are indulging into various sports day and night for which the infrastructure exists, like basketball courts, table tennis, swimming pool, a big cricket ground where their cricketing skills can also be honed for those candidates who are very much in love with the cricket. Likewise, there's hardly any activity that is left out of the curriculum where a student is interested and he is not getting the opportunity. These things are very rare. Most of the activities are made available as per the choice and interest of the candidate, so that he can experiment with his own skills and find the right proportion of training himself to a certain level of skill where he excels. It adds to his confidence as well as to his personality. Now at Doon Defense Academy, we bring to you one of the most safest environment for your kids to stay and grow academically without any stress and tension, and the kind of social grace that comes after this training and experiencing the community living in the hostel that are well controlled and well mentored by the experienced staff. You will find a transformative change in your kid when he comes on leave to you. So if you wish to avail this kind of infrastructure to get your kid groomed for the right career, as well as for the right academic qualifications, as well as for the sports skills to be honed, Sandeep Sir's Doon Defense Academy could be one of your stop to consider. And you are most welcome for the campus visit to see the vibrancy and frequency of the campus for yourself. And thereafter, you can take a considered decision if this is the right fit for your kid to grow up and turn or transform into a very successful and contented human being, which impresses the world around him and also impresses you. Thank you very much.